in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for southwestern McLennan County and central Texas, northeastern Bell County and central Texas, west central Falls County and central Texas, until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:32 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Moody, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Bruceville Eddy around 4:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Lorena around 4:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Sego, Meadow Grove, and Moorville. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 311 and 322. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Now let's check on